I lived some time, then I died. I had done all that I tried. People came, people cried. That's the way the story goes. I was born, then I grew old. Held some cards, but I had to fold. Some days mud, some days gold. That's the way the story goes. My family's name McSpadden, from Scotland green and fair. Some of us remembered then, some of us still cared. I meant to see the homeland, but I never did get there. That's the way the story goes. Noah's flood, Noah's Ark. Some guy named Tom lit up the dark. We don't make that big a mark. That's the way the story goes. My family crossed the ocean and their life was surely hell. Times back then were harder, though none of us could tell. I know they raised my father, and I know he's gone as well. And that's the way the story goes. I lived some time, then I died. People came, people cried. I said hello, I said goodbye. That's the way the story goes. That's the way the story